there's a 36-centimeter crack to go through here. You can go around by going up the stairs, which I think is what I'll end up doing because I don't love the idea of being squeezed in an enclosed space. Okay, I have to climb up all these rocks, even with my hiking boots, and it's not at all wet. These rocks are a little bit slippery. I'm taking the stairs. That was so much fun. When I saw the admission price for this place, I was wondering what you get for your money. And well, you get quite a lot actually. The trails are quite beautiful, very well maintained. There are benches and lookouts. There's also lots of information here about nature and also the history of the indigenous people.